Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre coffee from outdated machines? Well, I've got a game changer for you, the NUPANT 12-cup commercial drip coffee maker. This beast of a machine is a favorite among coffee lovers, and for good reason. With its sleek LCD screen and brew mode selector, you'll feel like you're in a high-end coffee shop, minus the hefty price tag. The touchscreen smart controls are not only easy to use, but they are also a breeze to clean, thanks to the button-free design. This well-reviewed coffee maker is a king-size powerhouse, capable of churning out 12 cups of perfectly brewed coffee at a time. The larger display area is a nice touch, making it easy to navigate through the various settings. But what really sets it apart is the flexibility it offers. You can choose between automatic and manual brewing, giving you total control over your coffee. Imagine the sound of rich, bold coffee dripping into the pot, filling your kitchen with an irresistible aroma that'll get you hooked from the very first sip. In real-life use, I've found that this machine is a total workhorse, perfect for offices or large households where coffee is always in high demand. The result is a consistently great cup of coffee that's sure to please even the pickiest of palates. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use, even for those who are technically challenged. So if you're looking to upgrade your coffee game, look no further than the NUPANT 12-cup commercial drip coffee maker. Your taste buds will thank you. With its impressive features and user-friendly design, it's no wonder this machine is a top-rated favorite among coffee enthusiasts, and I'm confident it'll become yours too. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.